Hey, what's going on, guys? Laurent La Nuit here, and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you guys are coming across my channel, what I do is I make fragrance-related videos such as unboxings, reviews, first impressions, and things like that. And if you love fragrances as much as I love fragrances, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. But as you see in the title above, we're actually doing an unboxing video today that I'm very excited about. And the fragrance we're going to be unboxing is known as the king of date nights, guys, as far as fragrances go. And that fragrance is none other than Yves Laurent La Nuit de l'homme. And yeah, guys, I actually had a sample of this that I recently just ran out of, and I loved it that much, so I had to pick up a full-size bottle of it. So I got a 100 ml bottle, as you can see here. 100 ml of La Nuit de l'homme. And yeah, and let's take a look at the presentation really quick. So of course you have the front, Yves Laurent La Nuit de l'homme, and this is the 100 ml, and it's the eau de toilette concentration. And then at the back, you just have some ingredients, your batch code right there. This is a 2018 batch, December 2018, so that is the batch. So let me know down below if you know anything about this batch or anything like the reformulations of La Nuit de l'homme. And yeah, so yeah, let's open this package up here. Of course, it's in cellophane. For some reason, the bottom kind of got on, let me see, like the sticker kind of came undone. But I did get this on the 20% off of YvesSaintLaurentBeauty.com. when they were running that sale, so I had to grab this, obviously at a discount price, which can't go wrong getting discounts, of course. Let's see, let's open this up here, set that to the side. All right, so there we go, guys. You have the package. On the top, you just have YSL logo, nothing on the bottom, as you can see there. And yeah, you just got your barcode right there on the side. So let's open this up. Okay, so you have the YSL logo on the inside of the tab as well. As you can see, it's kind of embossed a little bit. All right. Okay, so it's kind of tight in there. There we go. That nice big cap, sweet. All right, so there we go. Here's the bottle of La Nuit de l'homme. It is a very familiar bottle and pretty popular in the community, I would say. Then on the top, you have that nice big, it's kind of like a hockey puck kind of cap, and it says YSL really big on there as well. And then at the bottom, you just have, of course, your batch code and things like that to authenticate your product and see when it was made. And then on the inside of the cap, you just nothing really in there. There's a little bit it's kind of light, to be honest with you guys. I know back in the day, like when La Nuit de l'homme first came out, like the caps were like actually metal and really heavy, but now they're kind of like plastic and pretty light. So it's not the best cap ever, but it would do the job. And it does, I can show you guys there, but it does click into place, of course, which is very nice. You can pick it up by the cap and you don't have to worry about it dropping or anything like that. So that is a plus there. And then, of course, you have your atomizer, which is a black atomizer. No logo on the top, unfortunately, but no big deal, of course. Turn this to the side. All right, and this juice color, this bottle is absolutely beautiful. It's kind of got like a gradient from lighter to dark on the bottom there, as you can see. And it has like a black stem inside too, which looks really nice. You don't really see black stems in fragrances. It's the first time I've seen that. And I don't smell it out of the bottle, which is good, of course. So let's go ahead and do a first spray and show you guys the atomizer, guys, and see what we think here. Oh, wow, okay. It's a very nice spray. So it actually puts out a lot of juice and a nice wide spread of it. And yeah, I do pick it up already. Yep, and this is La Nuit de l'homme. So let's take a smell. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. Oh, okay, this is amazing. So it opens up like a bunch of cardamom. So you get that nice sweet, well, not sweet, like powdery kind of smooth cardamom. And it just smells fantastic, wow. It's pretty much a cardamom bomb, to be honest with you guys. So if you like cardamom in your fragrances, definitely take a look at La Nuit de l'homme, guys. You will not be disappointed. It has so much cardamom in it. Wow, okay. So it also has like, I believe cedarwood. I'm not really picking up any cedarwood right now. It does have cedarwood. I think it has bergamot. I'm getting a little bit of bergamot in there, a little bit citrusy, but not much, guys. This is cardamom right off the bat. That's in the top notes, wow. Okay. The only downside that I heard really about La Nuit de l'homme is that it doesn't really last that long or perform as far as like projecting and longevity. Now, when I wore my sample, I was actually kind of surprised on how it performed. It's actually lasted pretty long on my skin. I'm not sure about projection. I didn't really get any compliments with it. I didn't wear it that much. It was just like a little sample that I recently ran out of. So I had to pick this up. Of course, you have to have this in your collection for obviously date nights and things like that. You cannot go wrong. This is why this is dubbed the date night king, guys, in the fragrance community. So yeah, I'm very, very excited to put this in my collection, guys. But yeah, let's see what I'm picking up. Still getting that cardamom, a little bit of bergamot. Wow, okay. Cedarwood. I believe there's cedarwood in there if I'm not mistaken. I think, yeah, in the dry down. But it's starting to come through a little bit. But yeah, still just getting that full blast of cardamom, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much just my first impression of La Nuit de l'Homme by Yves Saint Laurent. Of course, I will do a fragrance review once I wear this more and get used to it, tell you guys obviously how it performs, projects, and things like that. But yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this fragrance, guys. I knew what it pretty much smelled like, so it's not really a true first impression because I did have a sample of it. But of course, you guys know fragrances, depending on batches and things like that, they can change. But yeah, this does smell very familiar from my sample. It pretty much smells identical, to be honest, which is good because I love that sample. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap my unboxing and first impression of Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this or smelled it or own it. And yeah, tell me what you guys think about this as far as how it performs on you. And yeah, definitely do that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe if you have not. And this is gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care now.